Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme within the Ludo King game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your Facebook or your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now if you wish to change the theme for the game, then click on the gear icon at the top left corner and you will see the themes option. Click on the select button and now you will see the various different themes that are available for the Ludo King game. You can either watch and add, and once you watch it enough number of times, you will unlock a theme. You can either choose this method or you can also spend your real world currency. If you have a King Pass, you can also use this in order to get your chosen theme. Just click on your desired theme and tap on the set button and it will be set as your theme right away. As you continue to play the game, you will unlock more and more themes that you can set up later. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the theme within the Ludo King game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.